morning, folks. I'm Elton Santos. I'm a Equipment, Supply, and Logistics Corporate Manager in Feedings. Feedings is a mining contractor in Brazil, and we will talk about teleoperations for risk areas, tailings dams. Agenda for today. I will talk about some numbers of Feedings, who we are, certifications, about tailing dams, environmental disasters, dams decommissioning in Brazil, and the Teleoperation project, the current operation that are doing in Brazil today, and then our alternative for this teleoperation that is happening in Brazil. And Feedings has more than 50 years of experience in mining projects, and we have created more than 120,000 jobs. We have transported earth moving for more than 150 million of cubic meters, and we have more than 300 own equipments in our fleet. And we have a compromise to reduce the emissions in 20% from 2021 to 2025. And we have more than 20 million hours of our equipment's operation. And we have this ISO certifications, quality management system, environmental management system, health and safety management system, anti-bribery management system, compliance management system, and quality management system. So, the pictures of the big accidents that occurred in tailings dams in Brazil in the last years, only for information. And okay, after these accidents, the mining companies and the government started to do a survey looking for the tailings dams. Then they could be some problems to collapse and something like that. They found 59 mining dams that could be some problem. So there is a huge demand for this teleoperation in Brazil today. This is only a picture because we need to work with teleoperation, and sometimes not only inside the superficie of the tailings dam, but also in the self-rescue zone that in Brazil we call it ZAS, like a ZAS. Is that imaginary line where the tailings dam collapsed, all of that area, we're going to have a flood spot here, okay? So in this area, maybe we need to work also if there is some collapse in the tailings dam during our job there. Today, in Brazil, nowadays in Brazil, some contractors are doing a job for teleoperation operations for customers. And the numbers and the system that are using today for Feedings, after we analyzing this system, we saw that is not a better solution for this job. So you can see here the payload capacity is 12 tons, the maximum speed is 10 kilometers per hour, and with that we get a low productivity and a very expensive operation. It is always thinking about the productivity. This is our target. So when we saw these numbers here, we decided to hold and not to go ahead with the solution that we have in Brazil nowadays. We decided to design our own project to do a teleoperation, and after that we talked to Scania to see if it's possible Scania deliver a truck that could be achieve our expectations with the truck. After we talked to them and do many meetings, they decide, okay, we can go ahead. After that, we have already Hexagon because we work together since 2014, and we talked to Hexagon to see if it's possible to integrate in this project with us and Scania. So Hexagon told us, okay, let's go ahead. So I presented Hexagon to Scania, and we did an agreement, an NDA, to develop this project. So if you compare our expectations with this project, with the nowadays project, Teleoperation that is working in Brazil, we want to have a payload capacity 30 tons, a maximum speed from 20 kilometers per hour, because we can implement the electrical steering in the trucks. This is the main equipment or main compartment in the truck that can bring us the safety to operate in a higher speed. So with that, these numbers, our expectation is that we can get 5 times productive increased. This is our expectation. This truck is in the Scania facility in Brazil. Is the picture here. And the expectation is that the truck we will begin the field test in July. So we are so excited in this partnership with Scania and Hexagon to get to deliver for our customer a big, larger productive or greater than this today, and can save much money with that, because again, our target is productivity. Okay, that is all.